this question says find the integral of under root x in bracket 3x square plus 2x plus 3, right. So, how to do it? Just simplify it first, simplify the question, simplify the expression first, then you can easily solve this question, right. So, let us do it. Let I is equal to, in place of under root x, we can put x to the power 1 by 2, 3x square plus 2x plus 3 dx. Here we can write 2 plus 1 by 2 because सेम बेस पर मल्टीप्लाई करने पे पावर ऐड होगी. नाउ 2x 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 times of x to the power 1 by 2 dx. So, from here we can write x to the power 5 by 2 dx plus 2 times of x to the power 3 by 2 dx plus 3 times of x to the power 1 by 2 dx. Clear? Now, apply the formula integration of x to the power n, and we know integration of x to the power n is nothing but the x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So, from here we can write 3 x to the power 5 by 2 plus 1 upon 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 2 times of x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c, right. When we simplify it, just write down the answer over here. So, we will get 3 times of x to the power 7 by 2 upon 7 by 2 plus 2 times of x to the power 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2, right, plus excuse me,